Hi there. We had fun putting together the Uncat time savings calculator. We wanted a quick way to kind of quantify the difference that Uncat makes in terms of hours saved and then translating that into dollars saved. So I'll give you a quick rundown, and then there's a link directly to this Google Sheet, which you can copy and enter in your own numbers right from this video. So the average number of uncategorized transactions across our firm and client base that we've seen, thousands of firms, thousands of clients, has been 27 per month. Obviously, it varies widely. Beyond that, the time savings per transaction with Uncat that we've calculated is it saves about 55 seconds. It's about a minute per transaction without Uncat, using the old spreadsheet to email back into the accounting software versus the sync and the automatic notifications with Uncat. So that yields an average time savings per month per client of about 25 minutes. Average number of clients per accountant or bookkeeper is about 30. And so that yields 12 hours of time savings per month. With an hourly rate of 35, and again, you can enter the prevailing rate in your geography and at your firm or at your practice. At $35, that's average bookkeeping savings per month of about $433. The price of Uncat is just $5 a month per client. So for 30 clients, $150, you've netted out a nice time savings of $283 a month. So again, grab a copy of the spreadsheet, play with the numbers. We'd love to get your feedback. And certainly if you haven't yet given Uncat a try, jump in. It's going to save you a lot of time over the old spreadsheet cut and paste method. All right, thanks a lot.